Hello, Women's Empowerment. Thank you for tuning in with me on today. Today I have something special for you. We're going to cook blackened chicken breast with shrimp on a bed of mixed vegetables. Remember, before you begin cooking anything, make sure whatever you're cooking on is already preheated. So today I'm cooking on a griddle. It's already been preheated to 350 degrees. So I already seasoned my chicken breast. I have cumin, I seasoned with cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, oregano leaves, and chili powder. And I added salt, pepper, and Montreal chicken seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and spray our griddle with some non-stick spray. Okay, we don't want anything to stick. So I have these chicken breasts cooking. I'm going to let them cook until they're golden brown on the other side. I'm going to flip it and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I flipped the chicken breasts already. They cooked for about, I want to say about 5 to 7 minutes. These are bigger chicken breasts, so it's going to take a little bit longer to cook through. So just let it cook for a little bit, and before we begin to add anything else on here, the shrimp and the vegetables, we want to make sure that this is like minutes away from being finished. It doesn't take long to make shrimp, and of course these vegetables are ready to go. You just have to saute them up a little bit and season them, and it should be ready to go. So when this is about, I want to say 2 to 3 minutes out from being finished, I will come back and I will start the shrimp and the vegetables. Okay, so now we're going to add on our shrimp and our vegetables. I have about 10 jumbo shrimp that I'm cooking. I'm just going to gently season this with salt and garlic powder. That cooks a little bit. Not going to take too long. And I'm going to add the vegetables. One thing I like about cooking on this griddle is that, I can cook one meal on one area. I don't have to cook multiple pots and pans, so this is a great tool to just have a one pot or one pan meal where you can just easily clean it once it's finished. Okay, let that saute and cook up for a while. I'm going to season the vegetables with a little salt and a little garlic powder. And I love this avocado oil dressing. So I'm going to season my vegetables with that. And when it's completely finished, I'm going to come back and assemble it together. Okay, I'm back. So I flipped over my shrimp and I tossed around my vegetables, and everything is ready to go. So let's serve this up. Okay, and the vegetables is a mix of wax beans, yellow and red bell pepper, carrots, broccoli, and it is so delicious. I'm going to put my chicken breast on top. I'm going to put about 5 shrimp. Okay. Serve up the next plate and do the same thing. drip on top. Okay, let's move this out the way. And here you go. The finished product. We have shrimp on top of the chicken breast, on top of the bed of vegetables. And you know, one thing I always love, I love lemon wedges. I love to squeeze lemon wedges on top of my food. I guess it elevates the whole dish. So I'm just going to squeeze the lemon wedge on it. And this is ready to eat, guys. I'm going to go ahead and taste it. Okay. Got my fork and my knife and I'm ready. Vegetables in there, whatever. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. I will see you on Fashion Friday. Have a wonderful day.